Well, the Federal Reserve will make its first interest rate decision of 2025. That's today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Fed correspondent Jennifer Schonberger joining us now on what to expect. Hey, Jen.
Good morning, Shauna. Fed officials just reconvening moments ago here in Washington for the second day of their two-day policy meeting, where the central bank's widely expected to hold rates steady after cutting rates at 3 consecutive meetings at the tail end of 2024. Perhaps more uncertain, though, is how Fed Chair Jay Powell will use his press conference this afternoon to talk about the impact of President Donald Trump's policies on the economy and how they could impact the course for monetary policy. The president is threatening to slap tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and China as early as this Saturday, and Powell is likely to get questions on the impact of tariffs, questions he's dodged in the past. Also at play, Trump has said he wants rates to come down a lot and that he expects to talk directly with the Fed chair at the right time. JP Morgan chief economist Michael Feroli expects Powell will adopt more of a, quote, duck and cover approach at his press conference. Feroli also says he expects Powell will indicate each Fed member is using his or her own assumptions on what trade policies are adopted, while making it clear that the only thing decided at today's meeting was the policy decision and the monetary policy statement. In December, officials changed language in their policy statement to say that the Fed would consider, quote, the extent and timing of additional adjustments to rates based on the data and the changing outlook, showing less of a commitment to rate cuts than earlier in their 2024 rate-cutting campaign. In recent weeks, many Fed officials made clear they're increasingly concerned about signs of persistent inflation, citing that as a reason to move more cautiously this year. And in December, officials scaled back the number of estimated cuts this year to 2 from 4. There will be 4 new voting members this afternoon: Kansas City Fed President Jeff Schmidt, St. Louis Fed's Alberto Musallam, Chicago Fed Presidents Austin Goolsbee, and Boston Fed's Susan Collins. The Fed expected to maintain a cautious stance this afternoon, both their policy statement and in Fed Chair's press conference. Guys?
Jennifer, I'm pumped. I know you are as well. We'll be staying tuned for much more to come from the Fed later on this afternoon with that decision and the press conference. And you can catch special coverage, our special, the Fed's January policy decision at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Yahoo Finance, followed by Fed Chair Jerome Powell's press conference that begins 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time.